Hello and welcome back. So far, you have built a functional AI employee, but in real world systems, building is just the first step. The real challenge is making it reliable, predictable, and scalable. Today, we treat your AI system like a production system, and that means observing, diagnosing, improving, and eventually scaling it to do more. This capstone followed 5 key steps. First, we wrote a clear job description and defined the task list for the AI employee. This helped Claude Co-work understand the role, responsibilities, and expected outcomes. Next, we configured the project by setting up memory, instructions, skill, connectors, plugins, and dispatch rules. Then, we ran the AI employee through a full simulated workday with tasks across tools like email, calendar, documents, and trackers. After that, we reviewed the action logs, scored the outputs, and identified the improvements. The goal was to make the AI employee more accurate, reliable, and useful. Finally, we documented the setup and shared it as a Co-work template so it can be reused for similar workflows. By the end, the AI employee was able to complete multiple tasks, use tools effectively, produce quality output, and show clear improvements. These are some steps that you can follow to create your own AI employee. That brings us to the end of this video. You now know how to build, test, and improve and document a full AI employee in Claude Co-work. Thank you for watching.